All right, now this is your website. You can do anything you want with it. If you break it, it's going to cost you to get me to fix it. Just keep that in mind. I'm more than happy to help fix things if they're fixable. But I work 3 jobs. I can't really afford to waste time when I don't need to. But I want to show you a couple different things in here. I use a program called Optimize Press to set your site up. It is a licensed copy. I have only so many licenses, so you can't clone this and sell this or anything like that. Sorry. Uh, if you come down here to WP Traffic Pro and to install plugins, there's a bevy of plugins here available for you to install. They're ones that I use. You can go get the tutorial. I haven't done the tutorials yet. It's one of the things on my to-do list, but I'm going to do tutorials on using all these plugins, the ones I like, and I probably will have pre-installed for you like WP Statistics and then the Google Analytics, which I want to talk to you about right now, and Yoast SEO. I'm not going to teach you how to use them here. Each of them has their own training available at their own websites. Plus, if you come along, I will eventually have my training for you. The statistics one is right here. You can come here and see what the stats are on your website. This website in particular is brand new. Just finished building it a day or two. It's not going to have a lot of data in there. You can see it automatically. You can see the 2 days I worked on this site. It'll start tracking things. You see we even got a little bit of Google search engine stuff coming in already. So that's because of the domain name primarily. Traffic is in the front. So that is one of the key things. Another thing you can do is you can always go to Appearance, right here, and Customize, and you can customize components of your theme. Now you can totally mess this up and come whining to me to fix it. It's up to you, or you can go get another version, whatever you want to do. But you can change logos and stuff like that. You can rearrange pages if you know how to use Optimize Press. There's lots of YouTube videos out there to do it. If you want something specifically changed at the time I'm building your site, you need to let me know. If you want to use your website, that's fine. What I do with these websites is I provide a generic video here. It doesn't specify any. I'm just going to
If you've been around internet marketing,
it does not specify any particular website. It's just a buy traffic sort of thing. And I let people know that their traffic is protected by ClickMagick. If you use your ClickMagick account, or if you want to use our ClickMagick account, we have a generic pricing policy. We have a support page. So I want to talk to you about support. If you go to your dashboard, right here, this little black bar means you're logged in. You go to support, tickets. You can see support tickets people will have. Okay, you can set things up in here in the settings any way you want. Do not expect emails to come from your website that say you have a support ticket. My experience is it does not work. What I do is I log in the morning, at my lunch break, and at night. I check for support tickets and I respond to them immediately. If they're going to take time, I say in my tickets. It might take me 24 hours to respond. But I do this for each one of my websites. It's very simple to use. You'll figure it out. You just have an open ticket, something you need to work on. Maybe you got a bigger business, you assign it things you're working on. Tickets that are closed, tickets you just deleted. You'll go through the process and decide how to do it as you want. This is a free version of this. You want the upgraded version. I don't know why you need it, to be honest, but it is available. And that's true with all the plugins that we show here in WP Traffic. WP Traffic is my personal plugin that I created for me because I build a lot of websites and I want to make it easy to install all the plugins I really love to use. And they got full, if you want to buy a full version, you're simply welcome to. And I got stuff like the podcasting because some people want to do podcasts and content curation for blog posting. Things like BlogRx you don't really need. This is Support Candy. That's the support plugin that you got right here. People want pop-ups. It's pop up there. Push notifications, something you probably should consider. Social media share buttons, contextual related. If you do post, I'd consider that. If you do post again, related old posts. Yoast SEO should come in here, learn about it, figure out how it works. But this analog, this Google Analytics, is something I really think you need to do. I don't connect it for you. You're going to need to have a Google Analytics account. You come to here. You do not need to upgrade unless you want to. If you want to upgrade, go upgrade, but you don't need to. You'll just basically click here and it will step you through the process of setting up a Google Analytics account. Now you're going to need to have a Google Analytics account. You can open it up with any email address and it will tie everything back to your website. Google Analytics to me is the best because you're going to get, with a blog, you're going to get crappy traffic. The thing you want to focus on is the Google traffic. And you want to feed content to your followers that they want to consume. So you build your following. That's why the plugins that we put in here are very important for you to learn how to use. And they'll work for any website. So I encourage you to go ahead and use and go through the Monster Insights plugin and get that configured.